honorable guests for attending in this program. Dear audience, as you know very well that our country became independent from the British on 15th August 1947 and 75 years passed since the independence day, and 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day every year in all India as a national holiday. Fighters who fought against British very bravely offered sacrifice for freedom of this country. Even they sacrificed their life for making India free. So today we are memorizing them and their sacrifice and salute them. Now I conclude my talk praying that may Allah keep this country in His safety and make this country most beautiful place in this world. Thanks for listening my lecture.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Al-Wahid channel.